Hey everybody, today we're going to be making some healthy stuffed peppers. I went ahead and I got some of the steps prepped, so I'm going to let you know what I did. In this mixture here I have our vegetables. I have a couple of carrots grated, one zucchini grated, and some fresh baby spinach in there too. So I sauteed that for about 5 to 8 minutes. It doesn't take long because when you grate it, it doesn't take that long. So then here I have our grains. So normally you use rice, but we have quinoa today. And quinoa is very healthy. It's very rich in protein and iron, so it's good for you. And then I have our peppers here. I cut the peppers in half and I put them in the oven in some aluminum foil on 400 degrees just so they can soften. So let's get everything together. So I'm going to take the vegetable mixture and put it in the quinoa for our filling. I'm also going to add, I have one 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes with no salt added. So let's get that mixed. I'm also going to add one little 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, and that also has no salt added. That's the great thing about some canned products today, that you can buy them without salt added, so you don't have to worry that much about the sodium content. I'm going to add a half a cup of feta cheese, and then I'm going to do just a little bit of salt, just to round out the flavors, and fresh black pepper. Okay, so how easy was that? So we're just going to get all that together. This is a really attractive meal, and it's so easy to do, and I think your friends or family, whoever you make it for, will be really impressed. Okay, so we'll get our peppers in here so we can get them filled. Probably easier to put them in first and then fill them. And just make everybody fit somehow. And we're going to top this with some Parmesan cheese. So it's got a nice little crust on top. Now we've got 8 halves here, so if you're going to serve it as a side dish, you can serve 8 people. But if it's going to be your main course, I would say 2 per person would be good, and so you could serve 4 people if it was a main dish. So we'll just get all these filled. And don't be shy to fill them to the top, and if some seeps out, that'll be okay. You definitely don't want to skimp on the filling though. It's really good and really good for you. The quinoa is a really nice alternative to rice or pasta. Okay, so they're all filled. I'm going to take our Parmesan cheese and just sprinkle each one. Okay, I'm going to get these in the oven. They're going to bake for 25 to 30 minutes until everything is softened and the top is golden brown. Okay, so I've just pulled the stuffed peppers out of the oven, and you can see how golden brown the top is, and the peppers are soft enough where you can eat them, but they're firm enough to hold the shape of the pepper. So I hope you guys make them, and thank you for watching.